Eco Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Eco Wallet app isn't just another crypto wallet, it's part of a bold vision to replace the banking system altogether. But is it really the future of digital money, or just another fintech experiment? Let's unpack the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Eco positions itself as an all-in-one money app, blending the best of traditional finance and crypto. You can save, spend, earn rewards, and send payments, all within one sleek interface. What sets it apart is its Eco Point system, a native rewards program that gives users points for every transaction, similar to credit card cashback, but built into the digital economy itself. Another huge benefit is simplicity. Most crypto wallets are technical, filled with jargon about gas fees and seed phrases. Eco hides all that complexity behind a clean, user-friendly design. You can transfer funds or earn yield without having to manually stake or interact with DeFi protocols. Eco also promotes sustainability and efficiency. It's built on a low-energy architecture, using networks that minimize environmental impact compared to traditional proof-of-work chains. Now for the cons. The biggest drawback is centralization. While Eco markets itself as a crypto alternative, it doesn't fully hand over control to the user. Your Eco balance and points are managed within their ecosystem, meaning you don't technically hold private keys like you would in a true decentralized wallet. Another con is limited crypto support. Eco currently focuses on its own tokenized system, rather than offering broad multi-chain access like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Lastly, because the project is still evolving, features and partnerships are changing fast, which means long-term stability is something users will need to watch closely. In short, the Eco Wallet app is fresh, futuristic, and perfect for anyone who wants the feel of digital banking with a crypto twist. But if you're a hardcore decentralization fan, its semi-custodial nature might give you pause. The future it's building is exciting, but it's still a work in progress.